Hey guys! So first of all, happy Pongal to everyone. So today is gonna be a really very big surprise and I'm really excited. So watch this video till end and enjoy. So I want you all to come and enjoy the journey with me. So let's go. So let's start our journey and let's see where we reach. Oh wow, Signature Mall. After a long time I am seeing my school ways. So I'm missing these places, and this metro is still getting constructed and it's really beautiful and really good. Wow, Phoenix Mall. It is our usual spot at the weekend. So now we are like missing it really much. And look at it. And this is Decathlon, and we are. We're stuck in the traffic. So we are going to be reaching. We reached Gopal and Grandia, and now we are going to be reaching our destination in few seconds. So the countdown starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last count 10. So we have reached our destination. So this is our dream house. So guys, we are gonna be shifting in some month like July, June. So we reached here and I'm really excited. So the apartment name is Raja Ritz Avenue. So yeah guys, we finally reached the destination. This is our dream house. So our destination for today was our dream house. And these are just some dashboards and stuff. So yeah, let's go. Run. These are few dashboards and all. So let's go in. So yeah. So first, let's sanitize our hands. And now we are gonna be going to the model flat. This model flat is a big dimension. It is like 1800 square feet, and our flat is 1700 square feet, and it is also 3 BHK only, as you can see over there. Let's get in. So yeah, this is our hall. This is our living room, and you can see I love the interior designing. They have did it so beautifully. So we can design it by ourselves, and I feel to just copy this idea. It's really good. So yeah, that's the table. Unique table. So now let's go to the dining area. It's cool, huh? The interior designing is amazing, and it's so good. And now let's go to the kitchen. So you know what's there in a kitchen now. From July or June month when we shift here, Anu's kitchen. This is our Anu's kitchen from that time, and this is the laundry area, and I'm really excited to shoot a video here. And I will also keep surely a house tour. So this is amazing, and this is the master bedroom, which has an attached toilet and a balcony. It has lamp, and these are our interior designing, so we can do it like whatever way like we like. So we have a balcony here, as I told you. So I guess it's locked maybe. So the balcony view is so beautiful, and I guess it's locked. So yeah. It's so good, and I really love the bed. It's so spongy, and there are a few cupboards and TV maybe. We'll also keep one, I guess. We don't know. And yeah, this is the bathroom, attached bathroom in the model house. So yeah, we can keep decoration and stuff over there if we interior design it that way. And now we are going to be entering the second room. So this is basically called the kids bedroom, which is also basically gonna be my brother's bedroom. And here we have a window, and I really love the window. It's really cute. We can just have tea and watch outside, and every rooms have this soft and comfortable bed. And it also has like the same designing like the shelves and the TV and stuff. So, and the next room is gonna be really special room. So, let's go. Welcome to my model room. So, this is my model room, which is basically called the guest room, but it is my room. And my room also has an attached bathroom and a balcony, and I love those things over there. And it also has, like as I told you, all the rooms, cupboards and TV. It's just a model designing, Savish. And this is the balcony. Okay, I opened it. You can see how beautiful it is, and it's so cutie. So this is like the model flat. That's why it's like kind of the ground floor. So ours will be in the first floor, so it will have a little height, and my room will basically have my school just in the back side. And if I look in the front, there'll be another apartment, and I can see the play area and all. So it's the same designing as I told you many times, I guess. So it has also an attached bathroom, and this is our cute house. But this is, as I told you, this is 1,800 square feet. Ours is 1,700 square feet. So now I have to close all my doors and come out from this place. And now we are going to the site. So this is just the model house. Now we have to go and see the site where our house and all is still getting constructed. So yeah, let's go. So this is our site, and I'm right here with my helmet for safety. Then let's go down. This is a building which is just a light coat, and that building over there, which is lightly painted, that is our building, our fifth block. That is the fifth block, and still people are working a lot for this. So it was actually like an adventure while going, because we had to pass many stones and many rods and all those stuff. So now let's go inside our block and inside our flat. Yeah, let's go. And that is my school right over there. It's just right up, actually it's really close to the fifth block. Right up, if I see from, especially from my balcony, if I will see back, I will see the school. So this is inside our house, and 101, that's a flat number. So this is the hall. So the thing is, the model flat which we saw, it was the west siding, and this is the east side. So I don't need to explain you much, because you already saw the model flat, so you know. And this is the balcony, and from here you can see like the playground and all. This is the common bathroom, and this is the main balcony. So totally we have 3 balconies in this home, and this is my brother's room. So like kids room, which is officially my brother's room. So this is my room. So I don't need to tell you anymore, because you all know, because I've already explained you in the model flat. So it's just a small video, and I'm asking many questions to my father. What is this? What is that? What is this? And what is that? So funny and so good. So right opposite is the phase 2, and there will be a clubhouse coming. So yeah, that's my school. I really remember about it. So this is my room's balcony, and right back I can see my school, and I really miss it. So guys, that was the small video of my dream house, just showing you. And soon I will also be coming in this apartment. So guys, that's all today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye. So let's go. Bye bye.